Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Sendit account quickly and easily. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open the Sendit app. As you can see, there is my Sendit app. Simply open it. After you have opened, simply go to the settings. First of all, simply tap on your profile. As you can see at the below, you will see the inbox, friends, and profile option. Then after going on your profile, simply at the top right corner you'll see the profile. Simply click it and there are the many option achievement. Then look for the setting. At the top right corner only you'll see the setting option. Simply click on setting and your profile will be load up. After, look for account privacy or delete account option. As you can see, there are no the setting. You will see find the option called all setting option. Simply click on all setting. In here you will see the option called danger zone. Simply click on at the last. You will see the option called danger zone. And here you will see the option called delete account. Simply hit delete account and your account will be permanently deleted. If you can't find the delete button, you may need to contact Sendit support via email or through their help in center requesting account deletion. If you don't find the delete button, you will simply go to the privacy policy and send the email to delete your account via email or through their help center requesting account deletion. And that's how you delete your Sendit account. If this helps, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you want help with other apps, and I'll see you in the next one.